My name is Eric Cortina, and Barndominiums are my business. As you guys can see behind me, I have another Barndominium I'm going to show you today. However, before we get started, I'm going to take the time to thank every single one of you guys that have subscribed to our channel. 2.5 years ago, most of you probably had never even heard about a Barndominium. Today, almost 100,000 of you have subscribed to our channel, which lets us know that you guys really appreciate this Barndominium concept, and Barndominiums are here to stay. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're not one of those 100,000 subscribers, please consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up on our videos. That's how we know that you guys appreciate the content that we make. And go ahead and share some of this content with your friends. Maybe they've never seen a Barndominium themselves. So again, thank you very much. And always, for more information, you can go to our website, texasbarndominiums.com. And again, thank you very much. So let's go check out this Barndo. All right, so I'm gonna go over the plans first. Once I go through the plans, I'll show you pictures of the home. All right, so I have another Barndominium to show you today. This is Barndominium 252. And as always, if you wanna buy these plans, you can get them from pristineplans.com. This Barndominium is a 40 by 70 footprint. And the living quarters is 2,000 square feet. We have a 600 square foot shop. In front of the shop, we have a covered porch right here, which is 200 square feet. And then out here in the front, we have another covered porch, which is 240 square feet. So this front porch is 12 feet long. I have always said that my preferred porch length is 10 feet. 8 feet is what I would consider minimum, but 12 feet is just that much nicer. It just gives you a little extra room, stretch out your legs, maybe put out a picnic table or pretty much whatever. You get to hang out, but 12 feet is a very nice porch size. So the front door is 3 feet wide by 6'8". 6'8" is your standard door height. And that leads right into the family room, dining, and kitchen areas. As you guys can tell, this is a fairly large, wide open space. That is one of the benefits of a Barndominium. We have no load-bearing walls, so you can make your rooms as large as you want. And as you can see, this one is fairly large. The family room is a 22 by 21, which connects right into the dining room and kitchen. The kitchen has a farm sink, and the island has a butcher block countertop. Everything else has granite countertops. On the flooring, we did stained concrete floors. The color is vintage umber, and we put 2 coats of polyurethane sealer. That makes for a very long-lasting yet low-maintenance flooring system. From the kitchen, you can go right into the laundry room. As you can see, we have side-by-side washer and dryers, and also we have a through door that takes you right out to the covered porch. So if you park out here, you'll be able to just walk right into the kitchen from here. Also, we have a very large countertop in the laundry room that's obviously going to come in very handy when you're folding clothes or, you know, whatever. Anyway, so we also have a closet here for your water heater, and then we have a door to go into the shop. Out here on the other side of the house, we have a corner office. This office is 10 by 12, and it has a closet with French doors for storage. Back here in the corner, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. These are all connected by a very small hallway, which, as you can see, is very little wasted space. So right here on the bottom, we have bathroom number 2, which has a tub with tiles around. And of course, you have your sink with granite countertops. So these bedrooms are pretty good size. They are 10'8" by 13'6". One of them has its standard size closet, and the other one has kind of a mini walk-in closet. So over here on the left, we have the master bedroom. Right before you go into the master bedroom, we have another small hallway with a linen closet. That's mainly just done for privacy. And of course, here we have the master bedroom. This is a 14 by 17 master bedroom, so pretty large room. And that leads right into the master bathroom. In the master bathroom, we have a walk-in shower. Very nice, tiled all the way up. As I said before, the ceilings are 9 feet tall, so this is a very spacious shower. We have a frameless glass door, and we have also a sink with granite countertops. And we have 2 closets, actually. We have a kind of, as you can imagine, this is probably the his closet. And then this is the hers closet. I don't know for sure, but I'm just making assumptions here. Anyway, back here behind the kitchen, we also have the pantry. And this pantry It's not very big, but it's very spacious. We did a lot of shelving in this pantry. And don't forget, we have 9-foot ceilings, so there is a lot of room in there. So anyway, as you can see, it's 2,000 square feet, and we're able to fit 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an office in this home, plus a very large open family room, dining, and kitchen area. So very, very spacious. So out here in the shop, we have a 19 by 29 foot shop, and we stuck another bathroom here in the shop. This is a full bath. We have a shower, and we also have a utility sink out here in the shop. This shop is fully insulated. So for the overhead door, we have a 16 foot wide by 10 feet tall overhead door, insulated with wind struts. All the doors that we put in are always insulated, and we also like to add the wind struts because it just makes those doors way stronger. Anyway, we were able to squeeze quite a bit into this home, as you can tell. 3 bedrooms, 3 bath total, including the one in the shop, office, shop, and 2 porches. If you want to buy these plants, you can get them from pristineplants.com. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll see you guys next time. We are Texas Barndominiums.